After a few days of slowing down with family, it was time to get back on the road and continue south. As we were leaving Oakdale, we passed the Sconza Chocolate Factory, which originally opened as Hershey's Chocolate Factory in 1965. What are you doing?
Sucking down some Slim Jims.
Quick rest break.
Yeah, bladder relief break. Okay, folks, we're making a lunch stop. We're outside of California City, I do believe.
We're getting cut off, but yeah.
We're out of California City, and we decided to go ahead and partake in the food truck. So Brenda got some chicken tacos, el pollo, and I got a big old beef burrito. Look at the size of that sucker. I don't get burritos too often.
Like we are 37. Okay, cool.
Through the tailgate, we'll have to look it up,
So we made it to the KOA in, I think it says, it's Barstow, Calico, but it's actually in Yermo. I think it's Yermo.
Here for the night. One night.
It seems okay so far. I wouldn't. It's supposed to be a holiday, but I don't know. I'm not seeing.
Well, what's the difference between a holiday and all the other ones?
Well, remember Journey's like kind of just easy on, easy off.
Oh, okay.
No, hardly, not that many amenities. The holidays have a little more amenities, and then the resorts have the most, I think.
About 63 degrees out here too right now, so kind of, for us, kind of warm right now compared to last couple months for us. Once again, who's walking who? Well, good morning, everybody. We are getting ready to leave in a couple hours here near Barstow to head over to Las Vegas. But while we're here, I decided to go ahead and empty my black water tank and flush it, for the main reason is I'm going to try to attempt to clean it. I flushed it several times, let the water run through the tank, and I still, no matter what, I get a sensor reading of at least 1/3 full. So anyway, yeah, it's emptied, and as you can see, it's still showing the 1/3 mark. So I'm going to try to attempt to clean it using a solution that I've used in the past of Calgon and Dawn dishwashing soap, and put that in there, fill it with some water. We have about a 3-hour trip this morning, and see, maybe it'll slosh it around, and the idea is for that, you know, to clean the sensors and then leave a film for the future, where when we use them, that any, I don't know, disgusting stuff will just slime right off. It's worked before. We'll see if it works this time around. So that's what I'm fitting to do. Okay, so I'm going to go with the 1 cup of Dawn. This is Ultra Dawn. Takes me a second here to fill her up. Okay, and then just going to put it down the toilet. Don't judge if the toilet's dirty. Flush her down. Okay. Now we're going to go with the Calgon water softener. And it's going to be a cup also. Always put the lid back on, folks. You never know. Pour it down and flush. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 5 gallons of water to the tank. And then the idea is when we leave for the trip, it's just hopefully slosh around. When we get there, I'm going to go ahead and flush it out and see if the sensor clears off. So stand by and we'll see if that's going to work.
Okay, so we're heading out. We're heading from this KOA to Nellis Air Force Base.
Yeah, a couple hours away.
Actually
3 hours away. I'm going to stop and get a few gallons of fuel to get us there. Because the fuel here in California is stupid expensive. So at least if I can save a few bucks and get to Nevada side and get their, fuel costs, I'll feel better anyway, even though it's a few bucks. It's kind of a mental thing, I think, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But yeah, so it's going to be the first time in a long time we've been in Las Vegas, huh?
Yeah, it is. So we're actually meeting our daughter and son-in-law and grandkids there.
Yeah.
They have a BMX
event this weekend, so that's one of the motivators for us to come here. So
before we head to Quartzsite.
Yeah. All right, so let's get on the road. Yeah, well, we put like about 10 gallons in.
How much is it?
It's like
The $4.75? I thought it said $4.75. Yeah, I thought that's what it said. Going in.
You got to go through the whole thing like you're doing the open roads card.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, we're at our campsite here, and as you can see, I had to use every bit of my sewer hose to get connected because I unfortunately have two gray tanks, the kitchen in the back, and then I have the bathroom and the sink that's in the front. So I have to have the Y connection. So luckily I had enough, but it was all I had. Used all my assets on that. But yeah, we're here. Man, it seems like it's, I don't know, 75 degrees if you ask me. But it's a pretty cool park. The only issue that I might have with it, and I'll let you know here hopefully in a few seconds. Okay folks, I'm going to see if my little solution is going to work for cleaning out my black water tank. So I'm going to go ahead and dump the tank and then flush it a couple times, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, got it emptied out, flushed it a few times. Now I'm going to see what the result is on this sensor. Here we go. Empty. Ladies and gentlemen, we are empty. So hopefully that'll last for a while. We still have a bunch of Calgon and Dawn dishwasher soap here in the trailer house. So if in the future we have to do it, we can do it. But yeah, that's basically all we did. We put the stuff in, we drove about 3.5 hours, let it slosh around, and then emptied it out, and it seemed like it worked. All right. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys were able to see that. I think you could hear it. But yeah, that's the only complaint I got, is the noise. You know, all these jet aircraft training and whatnot. That's about the only complaint. And if that's the only complaint I have, I love it, man. Because you know, that's the sound of freedom flying overhead. But yeah, it's really cool. So we'll check in later.